Today we're looking at the ball-lock cable tie system. Two variants, uncoated and coated, in widths of 4.5 mm and 7.9 mm, lengths from 150 to 1,200 mm. All made from AISI 304 stainless steel. Here's the uncoated tie up close, clean stainless steel finish, precision formed head. Built for demanding industrial environments. To fasten, thread the tail through the head, pull to tighten. The ball locks into place instantly. One key advantage of the uncoated tie, it can be reopened. Insert the tail of a second tie into the head to release the lock. Useful for adjustments or temporary installations. The coated variant adds a protective layer over the stainless steel, ideal where cables or surfaces need extra protection from abrasion. Same head, same strength. Fastening works the same way, thread, pull, lock. Two tools are available for installation. The first is the Steel Tie Crimper, a pistol-style tool, 0.56 kilograms, for ties up to 7.9 mm wide. Adjustable tension knob on the handle, guaranteed for 5,000 cycles. Thread the tie through the tool, squeeze the handle, the crimper tensions and cuts automatically once the set tension is reached. One squeeze, done. The second tool is the ball-lock tie tensioner, manual, corrosion resistant, for ties from 4.5 to 7.9 mm wide. Adjustable tension via the handle. Thread the tie through, squeeze to tension until you feel resistance, then pull the cutting lever to trim the excess. 2 steps, tension, cut. Now let's see it in action. We're mounting a warning label plate onto a pole using the ball-lock tie tensioner. Loop the tie around the pole and through the label holder. Thread the tail through the ball-lock head, then insert the free end into the tensioner. Squeeze the handle until you feel resistance. The tie is fully tensioned around the pole and label. Pull the cutting lever to trim the excess. The label is securely fixed, tight against the pole, ready for years of outdoor use.